Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. And now we will have our try on haul. So I will show you guys uh one of my old panty shirts for night wear, for sleep wear. Um this is from Shein. This is one of my uh old clothes, old panty shirts. This is from Shein, guys. I really love Shein anyway. So I have a lot of collections from Shein. Any style of Shein, any style of dresses, any style of like this panty shirts. This is a sleepwear. So this is one of my favorite when I go sleep. I will wear this one. So I would like to show you guys panty shirts. So we will have our try on haul. um anyway, this is the old panty shirts, guys, um from Shein. So I decided to do vlog for try ons. So before we continues our vlog, our try on haul, let me first to um, introduce my channel, Margie Olvida. And if you guys uh, like my channel, if you're new watcher, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget also to thumbs up and hit the notification button bell, so that every time that I have upload, you can alerted. So let us I will show you one by one. So first one is this one. uh, this is a panty shirt. Look, I like, I really love this anyway. When I wear this one, when I go bed, and it's so nice, very like smooth and fresh. So I like the clothes. I like the clothes. So this is there is lace here. So lace, and also the the kind of look at like seem like satin. Yeah, slight light blue. So this is a light, yeah. So look, and the next one is one of my favorite also. Look at this is the style is panty shirts. So no need to wear no need to wear underwear because this is panty shirts. Look, it's so very sexy, right? Very sexy. Anyway, I love this when I wear this one. It's look like, wow, it's amazing, so sexy, guys. So I love also the style. This is a satin clothes. Look, and floral, colorful flower. Yeah, so very sexy. And look at the back. So this one is panty shirt shirt. And next is this one. Hey, sorry. So nice, very sexy. So no need to wear underwear because this is like underwear. So it's colorful. It's colorful also. Yeah, very nice. And the next one is, excuse me. And the next one is this one. So this the style is a ruffle. This one is ruffle. Look, so very nice. This is also panty shirts. Look, satin, navy blue. So this is a navy blue. Yeah. Uh, Look, so nice. I love also this style, guys. I love the color. It's very nice. Navy blue. And this color is navy blue. So, and the next is this one. So, the style here is ruffle also, like lace. No. And okay, so it's already done. So it's done. Um, so let's go try on haul. Hold on, everyone. So, uh, we we were I wear first this one. So let us see, guys. I'm sure this is so nice. And look, so nice. So this is what I told you guys, is this is a sleep wear panty shirt, right? So nice. So um I'm bigger, not like before. I'm not so really fat before. That was, I think that was uh 2 years ago. So, and now I'm really fat. So that's why it's so really fit on me. Look. So it's nice, right? And the next one is uh this one. Excuse me. I have a cough, guys. So let's try. Wow, it's so nice. It's nice also. This is not really sexy, guys. Right? Not really sexy. Not like the first one that I wear is very sexy, right? So this one is not really sexy. So yeah, so nice also. Very nice. Look at the bag. Yeah. Never mind my body, guys. I'm really chubby. I'm too much chubby. Yeah, but chubby is the most sexier, diba? So the most sexiest, sexier, whatever, the most sexy. So they told me, oh, that's the chubby is nice, the most sexy body. Whatever, guys. So yeah, and the next is this one. So wow. So that's the very nice, and look the, so that's what I told you guys. This is also one of my favorite panty shirts. So very nice. So look. And the last is I don't, not last. And the next is this one. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. Yeah, it's so nice also. Yeah. Look at. Very nice. And the next is, but not the last, but not the least. Tara! So nice. Ooh, color black. Yeah. I really love this also. Very nice on me. And so nice. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to support my channel, guys.